So now I'm gonna carefully, oh, not so carefully, maybe I better put the camera down. I'm gonna carefully lower this engine and do this the right way. Probably off camera. Alright. I need both hands for this, obviously. Okay, now I'm gonna try lowering it. I think I got everything in position. Maybe not. Very carefully. Watching what's going on here. I have to line this hole up. The stud. And I'm pretty darn close. Alright. One little thing, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little round dowel that sits in there that has to match. Make sure you tap it down if it's there. If it's not there, check and make sure it is there. There's another one right here, as you can see. Appropriate use of the wrench. There's another dowel there. I was looking around the garage to see where they were, and there they are. Now if I could only find the flywheel bolts. But okay, here we go. I'm gonna have to do this with both hands. Smash your finger in one of these. I just did. That was gonna be a lot worse. I realize, slow down and be careful. I'm by myself right now. So it counts. Alright, you can kind of see where I have all the bolts in, all except for one on the other side. There's the stud. And you gotta kind of get them all in loose before you can tighten them, just like anything. Make sure they all line up. Try to do it without smashing your finger. I'm just going to keep turning on these by hand. I'm going to have to take them all out and put the Loctite on, but I want to get this gasket sealed up. Good. And then I will be ready to rock and roll. So here you have it, folks. One Saab Classic 900 power plant, complete with engine block, transmission, completely assembled. Just about. Need to put the clutch in. Need to find those bolts. It's the funniest thing. They were here and I just don't see them anywhere unless they were in one of my toolboxes that might have walked. I just don't know. But that's okay, I'll get some more. I just don't know. get this car on the road.